tonight. Coming in tonight with 3 wins and going undefeated. We only have one undefeated player. It's Nolan. Nolan, yay! I know that guy. He's cool. Yay! Well, what's up? Would you like to pass?
Giulds or Ravnica, please.
Sure. 2 Giulds Ravnica for you.
Thank you.
Now then, in addition to that, we have 3 random players who are each winning 1 pack of their choice. Our 3 random players.
That's how you might keep one in. I want to.
Yeah, you did just that. Yeah.
Yeah, I told.
Our 3 random players are. This is funny. Our 3 random players are Donna, Nick, and Joseph Balderson. Yay! Woo! Let's go!
Hey guys, Legendary MTG Kid. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been sleeping quite a bit. I thought you might like this kind of background for once, and it's easier for me to set up while we were opening up 2 Giulds of Ravnica packs. I like this bird. It's awesome. No secrets. That's the rare. And the uncommons, wall, and the other things. Nothing crazy there. Come on, open up. Second packs always give me hassle. Chromatic Lantern! Oh shit, isn't that a good card? Oh my god! Chromatic Lantern! Dude, isn't this a really good card in Commander? I play Commander and I see this card always getting floating around. Oh my god! No way! Dude, I don't even care what else was in that pack. I don't even care.